are headed to the church.
The cathedral.
The cathedral. Wait, where is it? Oh, right there. With the crew and our guide, Carlos.
Hi, how are you today? Hello, everyone.
We are live now. We had some cheese before, but I couldn't vlog that because I had a bit of an emergency, so TMI, but yeah, you know. But I am alive and we are going to get lunch and visit a church, and then we're gonna go up to the mountains, to the countryside, and hopefully we don't get bitten again for the 10th time. But yeah, once we get to the church, I will start the vlog again. We are headed up to the mountains. We're at a little ranch. Isn't it so cute? More puppies! Coffee! Babe, that's coffee!
Oh, parrot!
Oh my god, hello! Hello! And we're going to try some chocolate and coffee. So I have to take a lactate before I drink anything. Oh, so good. Trying with the sugar. Nice. Now follow along as our tour guide gave us an entire run through of how he makes coffee and chocolate at his ranch. He put us to work making us stir some of the cacao, so I can officially say I can make chocolate from scratch, sort of. Side note, as I was using the restroom, some weird animal kept honking at me, and turns out it was this goose right here. Anyways, back to the tour. This is the coffee plant that he uses to make coffee. I got to try it raw, and it was actually pretty sweet. And this is the cacao plant. Here's the dried up cacao and coffee that he eventually puts into a grinder to officially make powdered coffee and chocolate. And he made it seem so easy, but in reality it was really difficult to grind the coffee and cacao. Afterwards, we bought some of the chocolate and coffee to take back home. Alright, where are we, Ivy? We are at the side of a street. What is the restaurant name? Carlos, what's the restaurant name?
El Panel.
El Panel.
Yeah.
And we are having some Dominican food. It's 3:30. We are all hungry.
Yeah, we're low-key starving. I was like, we all ordered, it was either chicken, beef, pork. I'm the only one who ordered pork. My Filipino ass and that lechon.
We have to shout out Carlos for organizing this whole trip for us.
Exactly.
Yeah, shout out your business.
My link is gonna be below, so whenever you guys coming to Punta Cana,
Book me.
Look for Carlos Perez.
yeah, no, look for CJ. I think
No, it's still going.
It's going, it's going.
Look for CJ Travel on Google, and we're gonna make sure that you guys have fun in Punta Cana.
Yes! Woo! This is the chicken. Looks so good. Already eaten chicken. And then, yeah, here's everything else. The beef and pork.
This is so
Let's
much
eat.
Which one tastes all of it?
This one's the pork. I just had the beef. It's really good.
You know what you gotta do? You gotta pour some of the chicken stuff on there.
Oh, the pork's so tender.
Look at me like I was like,
Now the chicken.
stealing your fucking life, bro.
A little bit.
It's not that deep.
So good, right? So good.
The chicken. Dinner tonight is seafood salad and lots of
Wait, what is
bread.
that?
There's an
Is that
empanada
just
in
bread?
there. Huh?
That's a empanada?
The empanada's right there. And then this one is a bread with shrimp. I'm excited to try this.
Why she like it's that good? She's drunk. Angie, you okay? Are you alive? Are we off to a good start? Yeah. Can I taste that? Wait, what is that? Is that shrimp?
I think you're
Sauce
just
is
drunk.
so good. The sauce is
I
good.
think you're just drunk.
Fuck, maybe I am. That's why the fruit tastes bad.
Wait, what is this?
I don't know. I think you're just drunk.
Did you try the empanada?
No. Can I try the empanada? I'll try this. Empanada. Salad? Look, I left my hair tie.
Where?
Near the reception. I need that. Salad's good. Yeah. Gracias. Just one? Let's come over. Let's go. Come over. Gracias.
Just one?
She was like, just one.
Gracias.
Gracias. Wait, me too. Wait, I didn't get one. Wait, I didn't get one. The glizzy's good.
I wouldn't say it like that.
Chicken. Look how juicy, Angie.
Angie, grab those.
Oh yeah, thank you.
And then grab the chicken.
Take it.
Can you move it?
This is yours?
No, I want that one.
Oh, okay.
You want that
It's
one?
okay, no, I'll take this one. Oh, really? Okay. I got a really good piece of meat
Yeah.
from here. Honestly, let me just bite it like this. Mmm. 10 out of 10. Chocolate?
I think these are cheese.
We are eating Italian tonight. Tuscany soup. Gracias. Gracias. We have the Tuscany soup. And he has something yummy. I don't know what it is, but it looks yummy.
I have caviar and veal.
Caviar and veal. Okay, so what did we get? We got risotto, we got lasagna, penne, chicken, linguine, penne again, and chicken. Taste test for everything now.
You like it? I like it, but like it's so creamy. I'm gonna cut it. That's good.
That's good.
It's okay. I'll take some.
We got the tiramisu and the panna cotta. Let's try the tiramisu. Angie, try it.
Yeah.
You just stuck it in front of mine.
Hey, I'm trying to steal your food, man.
That's just straight up coffee.
I'm trying to save his dessert. Yo, that's a lot.
Not that good.
Yeah.
I don't know what fruit this is. Looks good though. Really sour. That's really dry.
And this is really wet.
Thanks for watching, and yes, I have to work on my endings, but like and subscribe for now.